Hallo miteinander, X 19 mit Let's Play Wolf Among Us. The Pudding and Pie in der Bronx. Mal schauen, was wir da erfahren. Ob wir überhaupt etwas erfahren. Die hat das Ribbon an.
Sheriff, what a nice surprise. I'm not sure I've seen you here before. You're always welcome, of course. Is it business or pleasure?
I'm looking for someone.
Oh, look mal, schöne Bilder.
Is our specialty, with the clubs closed.
Not quite what I meant.
That's too bad. I guess you'd better talk to Georgie.
Das wäre eine Idee.
He's here. Come on.
Perfekt, danke. Wieso so kooperativ?
I should warn you that Georgie does not like to be bothered when he's working. And he's in kind of a mood right now.
Is er alive?
Alone in there?
He's working with one of the dancers, but don't worry about that. Discretion is our guarantee.
Ich würde gerne mit ihr reden über ihr Halsbändchen. Aber wahrscheinlich ist das einfach das Erkennungszeichen, dass Haus sind.
Welcome to the Pudding and Pie, where we cater to the diverse tastes of the Fable community. Your pleasure is our pleasure. Your desires are our desires.
Listen, you could be in danger.
Oh, sweetie, we're all in danger.
Okay. Wer ist sie? Oh fuck, ist das Beauty?
What do you think you're doing? You look like you're trying to take a shit. Who's gonna want that? No one's gonna want that.
I can take it from here.
Oh shit, ist das
Good
Beauty?
luck.
No, I'm not sure.
It's your face. You have to smile. You never smile. How many times do I have to say it?
Das ist wie so ein Prinz oder so.
Oh, it's you.
Okay, ich habe zwar noch nicht wieder
It's
zurück, aber...
closed. Keep dancing, you. I
Ah
didn't
nein,
say
das ist
stop.
wahrscheinlich nicht.
For fuck's sake. You, stay right there. Don't even think about sitting down.
Lass sie, vielleicht
Leave her
hilft sie uns
alone,
nachher noch.
asshole.
Sure, whatever you say.
She. Ah, ein paar Fragen an
What do you
dich.
want then? You here for a little taste? Tell you what, come back after midnight maybe. I can hook you up.
Hook you up.
Or, knowing you, she's probably not quite your style. You'd prefer someone who can take a bit of a beating. Tell me, do you prefer a stationary target?
Ich
or
bin nicht
one that will
wegen dem
put up a
da.
fight?
I'm not here for that.
Oh, I'm not here for that. Just stopped in for the chips then. Jesus, Big B, you're so corny. I love it though. No, seriously, I love it.
Ah, was ist du für eine? I'm sorry.
Okay, alright, Sheriff. Just fucking with you. Look, I know why you're here.
Aha. Wer hat's dir gesagt?
Who told you?
Listen, Sheriff. Around here, we can't afford to wait for you and your swanky pals to take an interest. We have to look out for each other. When shit happens, I hear about it. Especially if it concerns my livelihood.
In that case, I assume you knew Lily was glamored.
Of course she was, you daft git. She was a troll.
No, I mean glamored to look like another fable.
Yeah? Well, so what? Who gives a toss? People get up to all kinds of things when nobody's watching.
I think you're behind this.
Was
You
it
got her
Laterse?
a black market glamour as part of some twisted sex
Ja,
fantasy.
sorry, komm.
Ooh, black market, is it? How exciting. This is exactly what I would expect from a thug like you. Storm in, throw around a bunch of accusations, try to scare people. But you've got fuck all to back it up. And we're all just meant to jump any time the wolf shows his teeth. He used to be something, you know.
Glamour Box, was ist das?
Nothing to
Ah.
back it up? Well, what the fuck is this then?
Get that out of my face.
I found it on Lily's body, and it's definitely a back alley job. Where did she get it?
You've got this all wrong. If Lily was doing a special glamour, it wasn't for me. For fuck's sake, I want that kind of eat.
Who was she doing it for then?
She had clients, Bigby. Maybe one of them was into it. A lot of fucked up people in Fabletown.
Like who?
Try looking in the mirror. Anyway, now what to do with me.
Schalt Musik nochmal ab. Sorry wegen dem. Turn it off.
You're gonna hit me? Go ahead. That's what you want to do, right? That's what you came here for, right?
One more time. Who hired her?
Oh no, fuck!
Ich bin's nicht gewesen, Alter.
You! Take your sad fucking face where I can't see it! Bloody bastard fucking shit! You proud of yourself, mate? Proud of your little mess?
Oh,
Fuck's
komm mal.
sake.
Er kann uns sicher helfen.
Fuck off, Hans.
Ah, der Hans!
I need to ask you a few questions.
Ich habe
Hans just cleans up and provides a little muscle when we need it. He's not gonna know anything about the girls and their clients or any of that. No one knows. Don't you get it? It's by design.
Der Hans ist eben so ein
Discretion
Prinz,
is
ich
our
weiss nicht von
guarantee,
wo.
right? And the way we guarantee that is that no one knows anything they don't have to know, including me. I cover my eyes and take my cut. End of story.
Why not look it up?
What's that?
Isn't there a little book with all the stuff about the girls and all that written in
You're
it?
a fucking moron. Sure. There is no book. And as for you, Hans, we need to work on your communication skills and have a fairly good idea where to start. Hey, that's my personal property.
Smash Boombox. Ah,
Sure, go ahead. Do what comes naturally.
nein, ich bin cool.
Tell me about the book.
You haven't got the slightest clue about anything.
Eben noch nicht.
Hey, now.
Wollen wir etwas kaputt machen? Ich hätte keine Lust. Nein, ich versuche es auf die
Cut the
Liebe tun.
crap, Georgie. I want the book Hans is talking about.
Hans is confused. Again. Don't even think about it.
Also komm, Fernseher machen wir kaputt.
Jesus, fuck!
Etwas machen wir
Do
kaputt.
not touch that. You hear me? It's nothing to do with you.
Gib mir das scheiß Buch.
There's still time for you to just cough it up.
I'm sorry, Sheriff, but there's no handy magic book with everything you want to know jotted down inside. I sincerely wish there was. Maybe it would get you off me back.
Oh, what's that?
Well, what's this? Looks like a floor safe.
I wouldn't know. It was here when we moved in. I don't have a key. Sheriff, will you come on? Fuck's sake, I've got to open up in a few hours.
Wollen wir ihn verletzen? Nein. Give me the book.
Give it to me.
You're a big bad bastard. We get it. Everyone's guilty. We fucking get it.
Ich habe dir immer nicht weh
Jesus,
gemacht.
you're killing me. I'm begging you. I'll pay you.
People are dead.
2 women are dead.
Then quit being a bloody idiot. Come on, mate. Leave it. There's nothing there for you.
Ich mache alles kaputt. Aber ich mache es dann gleich nicht, weißt
You
du?
might want to stand back.
All right, all right, all right.
Alright. Geht doch, Georgie. Wahrscheinlich hätte man es so oder so bekommen. Einfach
Bloody come on, then.
wär's nicht. Ah, schau, Ariel. Dort. Wir haben immer nur etwas
Don't
kaputt
get your
gemacht.
hopes up. There's nothing in here that'll tell you anything. But it's a kick to the balls for me and my club, so we can be happy about that.
Oh, was ist das für ein Buch?
Here, this is Lily's last entry. So tell me, Georgie, who's this Mr. Smith?
Okay.
Oh dear. I'm afraid it might be a fake name, Bigby. Secrecy is sort of how this all works. Even Hans knows that.
What's
207.
207? Room number?
I don't fucking know. Millimeters, maybe?
Don't bullshit me, Georgie. This is your book. Your
I'm not
girls.
their fucking secretary. I give them a stage, I give them music, I provide an erotic venue to attract and retain clients.
Okay.
But let's be clear on something. The girls make the arrangements with their clients, not me. The girls. They're the ones with the Mr. Smiths and Joneses and Mr. X types. Whatever happens outside the club, that's on them. I log the business, take my cut, and I'm out. Now, I've had quite enough of you and your bullying. Excuse me while I call your superiors to make a complaint.
Ach du nur, wir reden mit deinem Girl.
Hello? Business office?
Ich habe nur etwas kaputt gemacht. So viel kann er nicht sagen. What's that?
Lipstick, lip gloss, compact, glitter.
Nothing special. Faith. Okay.
Broken open, but there isn't even a lock.
Hä?
Lock's been busted open.
Und Lily, was hat sie drinnen? Nicht. Gut. Was ist das denn? A note.
Faith, thanks for covering for me tonight. Let's talk before you go over to the apartment. Lily. Looks like they both saw one of Lily's clients.
Aha. Und wahrscheinlich nicht der Liebste.
Excuse me.
I heard you out there.
Mhm. Das ist gut.
I don't remember ever seeing you here before.
I didn't have a reason to come here before.
Lost Cat, Pixel.
You're trying to place me. They used to call me the Little Mermaid.
Ah, wirklich? Das ist Ariel.
Once upon a time. Does that help?
Nein, fuck.
My name is Nerissa.
Okay.
Well,
Right.
Nerissa, I've got some questions.
Of course you do. I don't have answers. You'll have to find those yourself.
Grosse Hilfe bist. 207?
Does the number 207 mean anything to you? I assumed it was a room number. But where?
We can't talk about work.
This
Come
is a murder case.
I mean, can't. These lips are sealed. Discretion is our guarantee.
Come on.
It's how things work here.
I don't give a damn fuck.
I don't give a damn about your guarantee. I need you to cooperate. This is what I need to know about. Lily's last entry. Who's Mr. Smith? Where's room 207? I have to know.
These lips. Sheriff Wolf, would you like to make an appointment?
Oh. Sure.
Okay. What would I need to do?
I need 150. It's not good to be short.
Well, I have cash. Wie viel habe ich überhaupt?
It's okay.
Mehr als das einfach.
Wait here for a second.
Ich brauche kein Geld mehr wahrscheinlich. Take it, ja. Und er findet es okay. 2.
Not 207?
You'll think of something.
The open arms.
Okay.
This is where they met.
Enjoy your stay. I hope you find what you're looking for.
Danke, danke, Lady. Finde ich cool. So läuft's, hm? Made them cry. Da ist auch eine. Okay. Polizist hat es gebraucht, hä? Gut. Mal schauen, was wir dort drinnen finden, Leute. Mal schauen. Aber erst im nächsten Teil.